Hello, I'm Leo. I'm a chef. Hello, Leo. It smells good. My friends are coming. We need soup.
Look, a red pepper.
It is very pretty. It is shiny. In you go. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, Leo, is that a hot pepper?
Let me taste it. It is
spicy! It is very, very hot!
water! I need water!
Drink, drink, drink! More, more! 1, 2, 4, that! Move on! Drink, go, drink! Room, drink! More water! More water!
No water, Leo. Try the milk.
Where's the milk? Is it behind the eggs? Milk is good. My mouth feels better.
The soup is still spicy. Your friends will be sad.
We need a secret. What can we add?
Sugar! Sugar is sweet. Use the sugar, Leo.
It is too high! I can't reach it! 1, 2, pull! Good job, Maya! Chirp, teamwork! Almost there! Yay!
We did it!
More sugar! Make it snow spicy nor steak Nick! Yes! Perfect sweetness! Now it is sweet and it is spicy.
It's spicy and bad? Oh no!
Yeah, it's a total fail. But you tried. Next time, less spice. Chirp, definitely.
Grandma's book. Let's look inside.
It is very old. It is Grandma's book. Turn the page. 1, 2, 3. Look, Maya! Here's the red pepper. Wow, where did you find it? Right here in the book, see? Cool. Can we make it? Yes, let's do it.
Danger, it is dragon pepper!
The book says, use yellow lemons. Lemons are sour. Sour stops spicy. No lemons here. We have no lemons. Go to the garden. The tree is there. I see the tree. It is big and green. I am small. The lemon is high. Jump, jump! Oh no, caw!
Wait, who is that? It is a squirrel.
Hello, Mr. Squirrel. How are you?
Squid, no, Ivan!
I am sorry, but my soup is on fire. It is too spicy.
He has a gift for you, Squirrel.
Oh, what is in my pocket? It is a cookie, a sweet, crunchy cookie. Do you want a cookie? It is better than a lemon. Ooh, it smells like chocolate. I am ready! Drop it! Yes! Got it! I have it! I have the lemon! Yay, you got the lemon! Whee! This is fun! Hey, lemon! The best lemon ever! Hooray! Whoa! 1, 3 lemons! Thank you, friend! Run, Maya! We must fix the soup now! We are back! We have the lemons! Wash the lemons, clean and cold.
Be careful. 1 lemon becomes 2.
Squeeze, squeeze, I need the juice. Squeeze, squeeze, I need the juice. Squeeze, squeeze, I need the juice. Go inside, sour juice. Fix the fire. Add something green.
It looks pretty now.
The table is empty. I need plates. One plate, 2 plates, 3 plates. Perfect. Clean the kitchen. My friends are near. It is not hot. It is not sweet. It is delicious.
They're here! My friends are here! Ow! My friends are here!
Hello, welcome to my house. Hi, Leo.
We are hungry.
Hi, Sam. Hi, Lily. Come on in.
This is Maya. She is my best friend. Maya, you're the best.
Please sit down. The soup is ready. Be careful. The bowl is hot.
I will. It looks so yummy.
One, two,
Three! Eat!
Wow! This is delicious. It is perfect. There is a secret inside. Can you taste the lemon? We love this soup. Thank you, Leo. Good food and good friends. I am happy.
Did you like the story?
See you next time. Subscribe and follow Learn English Method.